But let's now talk about another company that we've been talking about. This is Advanta. Advanta is a seeds company, and we're getting across to the management live from Hyderabad. VR Kondinya, who's joining us. He's the managing director of Advanta. Stock is down in today's session, but let's get across to him. Mr. Kondinya, there's so much talk about an acquisition coming in at Advanta, especially one in Latin America. Can you give us some sense why that market is of importance to you?
Yeah, I mean, there has been a lot of talk about this. We have been looking around for acquisitions not only in Latin America but even in other parts of the world. But Latin America is of particular interest to us because this is a developing economy, and there is a significant amount of land coming under agriculture in Brazil and Argentina. And the Brazilian corn market is of significance to us because they have just approved the GM traits introduction in Brazil, and we feel that the market there would increase in value and size significantly in the next 5 to 10 years time. So we have been looking at Brazil from the point of view of corn, and as you know, we are very strong in sunflower, and then sunflower is also a major crop in Argentina. So we are looking at Latin America from the point of view of both corn and sunflower.
Right, and if you look at the kind of acquisition that you're looking at, is this going to be a large acquisition? What kind of size are we talking about in Latin America?
We are looking at the crops in which we operate, basically sorghum, sunflower, corn and vegetables. So we are looking at various sizes. Sizes could be as small as $10 million revenue, or as it could be as high as $80-90 million of revenue. So this is the range in which we are generally looking.
Right, you have enough money on the books right now to cash in on that acquisition on your own?
Well, it will need some, it will be funded with debt and internal accruals. So we are looking at various options for funding these acquisition opportunities.
Right. Various options, do they have anything to do with equity?
Not at the moment. Not at the moment.
Sticking with debt options, let's talk about some of the other sides of your business. One of them is the fact that you've got an upside ahead because you have got the permission to sell your own BT hybrids. How will that change your own revenues, margins, and how soon?
Yeah, we have licensed BT technology in India, and we have introduced, so far in the last 2 years, we have been selling products which we have outsourced. We outsource the product along with the technology from the technology provider. But we have now got our own products approved from the government, and which we will be launching in full scale next year. So in terms of the volume, we hope to at least double the volume next year. And in terms of margins also, it makes a lot of difference because on outsourced products we hardly make around 20% of gross margin, but on own products we should be able to double that gross margin levels. So it is going to make a significant difference to the local Indian business.
And that's why my final question will be more linked to the more immediate issue of monsoon. Slight sluggishness in the rains, has that had an impact? Q2, because you follow the calendar year, Q2 actually saw a marginal dip in sales. Is that carrying on as a process?
Yeah, of course the monsoon affects our Indian operations only, and to some extent the Thai operations, but mostly our Q2 has been an outstanding quarter for us because Australia has done very well. We have seen almost a 30-35% growth in Australia. In India, we have, the monsoon has affected us because there is a significant delay in west and south in terms of the outbreak of the monsoon. So some of the crops like cotton and corn, their sowing has been delayed, and in some areas it has been replaced with other crops. So it has affected us a little bit in India, but otherwise in other countries the monsoon did not have any major effect. You know that Australia is continuing to have drought, but in spite of that we have recorded a very good business in Australia this second quarter.
Thank you very much for joining us. Good to have you on the show. Advanta speaking to us about their business outlook. We're getting back to that crucial meeting between Murali Deora and the OMC chiefs.